If you've ever experienced the frustration of trying to use your phone on a rainy day, you know how annoying it can be. Wet fingers can mess with the touchscreen's ability to register your taps and swipes, causing them to not work properly. Additionally, using a thick or poor quality screen protector can also decrease your phone's touch sensitivity. To combat these issues, many phones have touch sensitivity settings or a special screen protector mode to enhance touch sensitivity. The Google Pixel 9 is rumored to introduce an innovative adaptive touch mode that automatically adjusts touch sensitivity. Last month, news broke that Google was developing this feature, with code suggesting that touch sensitivity will adapt to your surroundings, activities, and screen protector. While it's unclear what specific factors will trigger this adjustment, wet fingers or a wet screen could be one of them. Google seems to be drawing inspiration from OnePlus 12's Aqua Touch feature, which adjusts touch sensitivity when the phone is wet, allowing for rain-friendly usage. Adaptive Touch is also expected to adjust touch sensitivity when a screen protector is detected. With the release of the Pixel 8 series, Google quietly introduced a screen protector detector service that notifies users when a screen protector is added or removed, prompting them to enable or disable screen protector mode accordingly. Although Adaptive Touch will debut on the Pixel 9 series in 2024, it remains uncertain if Google will extend this feature to older Pixel models. The 2024 Pixel 9 series is set to introduce a new feature, but it remains uncertain whether Google will extend it to older Pixel models. This is a classic strategy employed by Google, where they offer exclusive features on their latest flagship phones to drive sales. Eventually, these features are rolled out to older Pixel models capable of supporting them. A prime example is the Magic Eraser, which was initially promoted for the Pixel 6 in 2021, but later became available for all Pixel models, including non-Pixel Android and iOS users subscribed to Google One Cloud Storage with the Google Photos app. If Google does decide to release Adaptive Touch with the Pixel 9 series, it will be intriguing to see how much attention it garners. While it may not be a game-changer that lures iPhone or Galaxy as users away from their current devices, it still adds value to the Pixel 9. The Pixel 9 series is expected to debut in October this year, so if you're considering an upgrade, it might be worth waiting to see what surprises Google has in store. Share your thoughts on this upcoming feature in the comment section below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Until next time, take care and peace out.